All right, guys, let's take a look at some of our mouth pictures. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to let me know which mouth picture is going to be matching the sound that I'm going to give you. Your first sound is oo. Now make sure when you hear the sound that you actually echo it. So if I was you, I just said the oo sound. At home, you should have said oo. Okay, you've got it. That's going to be our lifter because when we make the oo sound, our tongue lifts up. All right, let's try another one. Your next sound is All right. Okay, so with that one, when we make the sound, your tongue is lifting again, so it's the lifter. Your next sound is Try that again. I'm going to clear my throat this time. That sound is There we go. That was better. All right, which sound is that one? The mouth picture is going to be our wind sound. Your next sound is That is going to be our nose sound. So remember, it's our nose sound because the air for the sound is actually coming out of our nose. You can especially recognize this when you make the sound with your lips being closed. And if you put your hand underneath your nose, you can feel a little bit of the warm air coming out. All right, let's take a look at our brothers. All right, guys, so here's our brothers. What we're going to do is we're going to only focus on one row at a time. So let me remove these. Okay. You need to pick the mouth picture that is going to match the sound. Your sound is All right, if you picked our lip cooler, you've got it right. Here comes another sound. Your sound is B. All right, if you picked our lip popper, you are correct. Okay. We're going to bring in the second row of the brothers, and we are going to remove the first. So here's your second row. Okay. Your first sound is T. All right, that would be our tongue tapper. Your next sound is That one is our tongue cooler. Your next sound is D. Back to our tongue tapper. And your next sound is G. Remember the symbol I always do like this? This is actually going to be our tongue scraper, so that's this one right here. Okay? Let's do one more sound. K. Again, that's going to be our tongue scraper. Okay? There's that gesture that we use in class. All right, let's get rid of that row, which was our tongue row, and let's bring in our air row. Okay. Pick the mouth picture that is making this sound. Shh. Now remember, I exaggerated that. That's the one we can pull. Shh. Okay, that's going to be our fat air. That one has the streams. I can continue to make that sound and pull it. Shh. Okay. Find the mouth picture that makes the sound ch. This one's more of a puff, and it's also cut short. Ch. Okay, this one right here. This is our fat puffed air. Find the mouth picture that makes this sound z. Yep, that's going to be this one right here. That's our skinny air. All right, let's jump over and take a look at our vowels. Okay, so we've got this all lined up here. All right. We've got our smile vowel, we've got our open vowel, and our circle vowel. Okay, so find the mouth picture that is going to make this sound. Ooh, ooh. Very nice. It's our circle vowel. Our lips are definitely close together and forming a circle. Find the vowel that is saying E, E. That is going to be our smile vowel. And sorry about that. I said find the vowel. I meant to say find the mouth picture. Okay. Find the mouth picture that is matching this sound. Yep, that's going to be our circle vowel again. And let's do one more. Find the mouth picture that is matching this sound. All. Definitely going to be our open vowel. Our lips are definitely wide open and our jaw is dropped very low. All. All right, guys, thanks so much for your hard work, and I hope you're having a great Remote Wednesday.